As coronavirus spreads throughout the world, people are scrambling to find ways to protect themselves from getting sick. So, here are some practical things that you can do to help limit the spread of the new coronavirus. Wash your hands. The number one thing you can do to prevent any respiratory illness is to practice good personal hygiene. Wash your hands often with soap and water for at least 20 seconds, especially after you have been in a public place or after blowing your nose, coughing, or sneezing. If soap and water are not readily available, use a hand sanitizer that contains at least 60% alcohol. Cover all surfaces of your hands and rub them together until they feel dry. Avoid touching your eyes, nose, and mouth with unwashed hands. Avoid close contact. Avoid close contact with people who are sick. Put distance between yourself and other people if COVID-19 is spreading in your community. This is especially important for people who are at a higher risk of getting very sick. As for face masks, the CDC still maintains that only those who are sick should wear them to prevent the spread of the virus. If you are not sick, you don't need to wear a face mask unless you are caring for someone who is sick. Clean and disinfect. Clean and disinfect frequently touched surface daily. This includes tables, doorknobs, light switches, countertops, handles, desks, phones, keyboard, toilets, faucets, and sink. If surfaces are dirty, clean them. Use detergent or soap and water prior to disinfection. To disinfect, most common EPA registered household disinfectants will work. Use disinfectants appropriate for the surface. Stay home. The WHO, governments, and healthcare workers are all urging people to stay home if they can. Obviously, some people don't have the luxury of working from home, and people still need to venture out to grocery stores and gas stations. But when you can stay home, do so to flatten the curve. Boost your immune system. On top of basic illness prevention, the best defense against disease is a strong immune system. Your body is better able to fight off illnesses when your immune system is really strong. This is the time to focus on all health habits you may have been putting off. Start daily activities and food choices that support your health and turn them into habits that will lead to lifelong improvements in health. During this time, get adequate sleep and some fresh air and sunlight daily. Also, stay hydrated, minimize overly processed foods, and make sure you eat enough micronutrients when you can. Try to stay calm. In addition to your physical health, you should take care of your mental health. High stress levels can take a toll on your immune system, which is opposite of what we want in this situation. There is extensive news coverage about the outbreak. If you find that the news is causing you huge stress, it's important to find a balance. It's best that you don't avoid all news and keep informing and educating yourself, but limit your news intake if it's bothering you.